Get ready to discover one of the most groundbreaking hypercars in the automotive world. This astonishing vehicle pays tribute to a legendary Formula One driver and pushes the limits of performance and design. From embodying McLaren's relentless pursuit of performance and aerodynamics to honoring the exceptional racing legacy of Ayrton Senna, here is a close look at the remarkable engineering, design, and technology of a true masterpiece, the McLaren Senna. Background and development. The McLaren Senna is a groundbreaking hypercar that debuted in 2018 and paid homage to the legendary Formula One driver Ayrton Senna. Developed by McLaren Automotive, this astonishing vehicle embodies the company's relentless pursuit of performance, aerodynamics, and track-focused driving experience. The Senna's development was driven by McLaren's desire to create the ultimate track-focused, road-legal car. McLaren's engineers and designers began working on one of the most extreme and performance-oriented cars in the company's history, with the vision of combining outstanding aerodynamic efficiency and groundbreaking downforce levels. Built around McLaren's Monocage 3 carbon fiber structure, the Senna features an incredibly lightweight and rigid chassis. This advanced engineering provides the foundation for the car's exceptional handling and performance characteristics. During its development, McLaren focused on perfecting the car's aerodynamics and weight reduction, resulting in an uncompromising design that sacrifices creature comforts for raw performance. The McLaren Senna also benefits from the company's extensive experience in Formula One racing. The car's active aerodynamic system, suspension technology, and braking system showcase McLaren's commitment to incorporating race-derived engineering into their road cars. This commitment is evident in the Senna's numerous track records, which prove its capabilities as a world-class performance machine. With a limited production run of just 500 units, the McLaren Senna is a highly exclusive and sought-after vehicle. The car's development reflects McLaren's dedication to pushing the limits of automotive performance, creating a genuinely worthy vehicle carrying Ayrton Senna's name. Exterior design and styling. The McLaren Senna's exterior design is an uncompromising expression of form following function, resulting in a visually striking and highly aerodynamic hypercar. Every surface, line, and detail has been meticulously crafted to optimize airflow, generate downforce, and provide unparalleled performance on both road and track. At the front, the Senna's aggressive splitter and large air intake hint at the car's performance pedigree. Inspired by the McLaren logo's shape, the distinctive LED headlights give the Senna a menacing and unmistakable presence. The front fenders, shaped to channel air efficiently, work harmoniously with the intricate side skirts and air channels, further enhancing the car's aerodynamic performance. The Senna's dihedral doors are a signature McLaren feature. Still, they also serve a practical purpose, integrating the roof snorkel for engine intake and directing air towards the car's rear. The rear of the Senna is characterized by its enormous, hydraulically actuated double-element rear wing that constantly adjusts its angle to optimize downforce and minimize drag. This is further complemented by the large rear diffuser, contributing to the car's exceptional aerodynamic efficiency. McLaren's dedication to weight reduction is evident in the Senna's extensive use of carbon fiber throughout the body, including the lightweight wheels. The car also features a unique, transparent, glasshouse canopy design, which offers improved visibility for the driver and adds to the Senna's distinctive appearance. The McLaren Senna's exterior design and styling are a testament to the car's purpose-driven ethos. Every element has been sculpted to enhance performance, resulting in a visually stunning and aerodynamically exceptional hypercar. Interior features and technologies. The McLaren Senna's interior is a masterclass in minimalism and functionality, clearly focusing on providing the driver with an immersive and unfiltered driving experience. The cabin's design reflects McLaren's commitment to reducing weight, using advanced materials and incorporating only the essential elements required for an unparalleled connection between the driver, the car, and the road. Carbon fiber is extensively used throughout the interior, with the lightweight material making up the central tunnel, dashboard, and door panels. The Senna's bespoke racing seats are also made of carbon fiber, and they can be tailored to the driver's size and preference for optimal support and comfort during high-speed cornering. The driver-centric cockpit features a folding digital instrument cluster that can be adjusted to prioritize essential information such as speed, gear selection, and engine RPM. A centrally mounted touchscreen controls the infotainment and vehicle settings, allowing the driver to fine-tune the Senna's performance characteristics on the fly. Keeping with the car's track-focused nature, the Senna's interior offers minimal storage space and lacks standard amenities, such as a glove box or cup holders. The air conditioning and audio systems have been designed to be as lightweight as possible to minimize their impact on the car's performance. Despite its minimalist approach, the Senna's cabin still offers luxury, with high-quality materials such as Alcantara and leather adorning the seats. steering wheel, and other touch points. Customers can also personalize their Senna with various bespoke options and finishes through McLaren's Special Operations division. The McLaren Senna's interior offers a focused, driver-centric environment emphasizing function over form. Advanced materials, cutting-edge technology, and a minimalist design philosophy ensure that the Senna delivers a driving experience. Powertrain and performance. The heart of the McLaren Senna is its 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, codenamed M840TR. This beastly power plant generates an incredible 789 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful internal combustion engine McLaren has ever fitted to a road-legal car. The V8 is paired with a 7-speed seamless shift gearbox, SSG, delivering lightning-fast gear changes and enabling the driver to precisely control the car's performance. The Senna's powertrain is not only potent, but also impressively lightweight. The engine and transmission have been meticulously engineered to shave off every possible gram, contributing to the car's overall dry weight of just 2,641 pounds. Combined with the monstrous power output, this lightweight construction produces a power-to-weight ratio of 658 horsepower per ton, rivaling some of the most extreme track-only race cars. The performance numbers speak for themselves. The McLaren Senna rockets, from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, can reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The car's advanced aerodynamics, active suspension system, and bespoke Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires work together to provide exceptional levels of grip, stability, and agility, making the Senna a force to be reckoned with both on the road and the track. Regarding braking, the Senna employs state-of-the-art carbon ceramic brakes with bespoke calipers designed to offer maximum stopping power and fade resistance. These powerful brakes, combined with the car's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction, enable the Senna to decelerate from 124 miles per hour to a standstill in just 328 feet. The McLaren Senna's powertrain and performance capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. With its powerful engine, lightweight construction, and advanced chassis technologies, the Senna delivers an unmatched driving experience in the world of road-legal supercars. Safety and driver assistance. Despite its extreme performance capabilities, the McLaren Senna has been designed with a strong focus on safety and driver assistance. The car's carbon fiber monocoque structure, Monocaged 3, contributes to its lightweight construction and exceptional strength and rigidity. This advanced safety cell is designed to protect occupants in the event of a crash, while its roof-mounted snorkel intake enhances structural integrity. The Senna has a sophisticated suite of electronic driver aids to help manage its immense power and torque. The Electronic Stability Control (ESC) system, which includes Dynamic Electronic Stability Control (DSC) and Variable Drift Control (VDC), allows drivers to tailor the car's handling characteristics to their personal preferences and skill levels. The car's advanced hydraulic suspension system, Race Active Chassis Control 2 (RCC2), works with these electronic aids to ensure optimal grip, balance, and stability. Regarding active safety features, the McLaren Senna boasts an array of advanced systems designed to help prevent accidents. These include a high-resolution rear-view camera, front and rear parking sensors, and an optional track telemetry system with real-time data logging and analysis. This telemetry system enables drivers to monitor and improve their driving skills, helping them to unlock the Senna's full potential on the track while staying safe. While the McLaren Senna may not have the extensive list of advanced driver assistance systems found in some luxury sedans or SUVs, it is essential to remember that this car's primary focus is delivering unparalleled performance and driver engagement. Nonetheless, the safety features and electronic aids included in the Senna have been carefully selected and engineered to provide high protection and control for drivers and passengers alike. The McLaren Senna combines its mind-blowing performance capabilities with a strong emphasis on safety and driver assistance, ensuring that those lucky enough to get behind the wheel can enjoy the thrilling driving experience with confidence and peace of mind. The McLaren Senna is a stunning example of how a hypercar can seamlessly blend extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and world-class design. This rare and exclusive vehicle is a testament to McLaren's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation, creating an experience for those fortunate enough to get behind the wheel. Please share your thoughts about the McLaren Senna in the comments section below, and subscribe for more compelling content. See you in the next video.